Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss update from Footprints.
Hello friends, welcome back to once again yet another pre-nursery series of activities. The age group for pre-nursery in Footprints is 36 months to 48 months, and I have brought a very interesting and exciting craft activities. But before I begin, I would like to sing a small song or a rhyme, you say. And please friends, just bear with my voice. I have such a lovely voice. Now what do you see here? Ooh, that's a mushroom, a paper craft mushroom. So today, that's the topic of my session. 3D vegetables. You can also make 3D shapes. You can also make 3D fruits. But today we are going to do 3D vegetables. Yes. And what do you see here? That's a carrot. And somewhere that's a radish. So any vegetable you can just select and make with your children. Now for that, of course, you have to watch till the end of the video. So stay glued, stay tuned and see what I'm going to bring to the table. Now I'm going to, as I said, I'm going to sing a song or a rhyme, you can say. The words are somewhere rhyming. So that's a carrot. So I'm a little carrot, I am a root. I'm a little carrot, I am a root. I love sunshine, I grow in the places cool. I just made up. You can improvise, you can add rhyming words and can just let the excitement flow. So yes, you have to watch this video till the very end and you have to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon. So friends, I'm going to bring lots of materials on my table and I'm going to introduce them one by one, and you can just collect your materials simultaneously with me or you can recreate it later. So here are a couple of papers, colorful papers. These are just the rough papers which we have, so I'll keep it here. And I'll keep my sample craft. I'll make it like a bouquet. You can see that's a mushroom. Very, very neatly done and very simple to make. That's a 3D carrot. Who loves carrot? Who loves carrot? Tell me. Write in the comment. Who loves carrot? And mushrooms. And radish. White radish. So my 3D vegetables. I'm going to create one today. Okay. Now before I do that, before I bring these things onto platter, I will like to introduce some reading materials and some exploration materials for the children. So that we call flashcard. Of course, we have neatly made it. You can pick the pictures from newspaper, magazines, or you can just draw them, or simultaneously you can ask for a printout. Any which way. This is to just explore and let them know the variety, because we are doing vegetables here. So these are the flashcards and they are just going to explore. So that's a brinjal. This you can see is a corn. Now, is that a vegetable? No, but that's a banana. That's an apple. We are just going to keep it here, and a strawberry here. Peas, yes. And this can also be created, in a 3D way. So as I said, peas, mushroom, the beautiful mushroom, yes. So mushrooms are of various colors. Usually the edible ones are the white, the brown ones, and you have to be very cautious, while choosing the mushroom, because yes, that can be dangerous sometime. You have to wash it thoroughly. That's a pineapple, chili, who loves chili, sugarcane, orange, pear, cherry, and a watermelon. So these are my fruits one. Why I am showing the flashcards of fruits also, because here the children are segregating. Now they will understand, okay, this is the fruit, which we are not doing it today in a 3D way, but yes, they can do it that also. And you remember my bubble craft activity? Yes, so they did from there, a pineapple from there. So now you will tell them a little bit about chili, the taste of it, mushrooms, certain dishes, explore the kitchen, peas, corn, bubble craft activity, remember, brinjal and all. So this is how you can tell them about fruits. You can also simultaneously give them, toys to just segregate. So that's my brinjal to brinjal. That's my beautiful cabbage. Oh, what's this? Capsicum. Again, a brinjal. So, and these are mushrooms. That's an onion. Sorry, that's not an onion. So your child is going to correct you and say, Mama or Ma'am, that's a potato. That's not an onion. Thank you so much. What's that? What's that? Who will tell me? Write in the comment section, which vegetable is this? Not everybody likes it. Green in color, white from inside. I'm going to wait till end and you are going to write me the name of this vegetable. So I'm quickly just going to put it down so the children will explore, name the vegetables and the fruits which is there in the basket. These are the toys ones, these are the picture ones. You can also have real fruits and vegetables. This is very important so that the child knows and explore. That's high scope. That's what we do in Footprints, the curriculum which we follow, through which we give lots of materials, allow children to explore, touch, feel and proceed on or go on with the activities they like to do. So I'll come down and just kind of keep them here, and we are going to use paper. We are also going to use child-friendly scissors. In my today's session, I am not using any adult scissor. Okay, you can also use adult scissor, but child-friendly is usually advisable. That's a that's a sellotape. That's a tape dispenser. This edge is very sharp. You also always keep this tape here so that it doesn't harm the children. Keep it aside. Under adult supervision, we have to use it. Now, what was that 3D vegetable we were doing it, and what is the area which we are exploring? We are exploring exploration of fruits and vegetables, primarily vegetables, fine motor skills, craft materials. We are exploring different craft materials. Okay, they are touching. Since it's a 3D one, it is coming in my hand. I can explore it through finger. Oh, that looks like a brush. You can later on, that's a fun part, that's a tip I am giving, dip it in the color, any color, color it. That's a paintbrush. Oh, a 3D vegetable in a paintbrush. So yes, so I'm just keeping it here. Of course, that's a carrot. So either a red one, the red carrot, or an orange salad one, the salad. I have both. So you can use, we have to make it like a cone. So just give a small cut here. Very small cut here. Just a very small cut here. You can also use your finger for cutting it and make a cone. Make a cone with your child. I've used a thick paper. Okay. Now you don't have an orange paper at home. Okay. You don't have an orange paper at home. No issues. Not a problem. Just color the paper. What are you going to do? You're going to color the paper so that they are fine contours. Now you see, I'm also putting some pressure while I'm folding the papers. That is very important because this is going to enhance the fine motor skills of your child, and pressing and dabbing and so many new words which a child learns.
Are you looking for the best preschool and daycare near you? Visit Footprints and explore the program suitable for your child. Find the program links in the description box.
So while folding these papers, I'm also putting a little bit of pressure as an adult. So the child will, of course put more pressure, and this way uses their fingers. I will just stop here, okay, and put a little bit of thing here and some tape, small tape, to just seal the contour of the craft. Okay, like this. You can put your fingers down. You can make it like a fine cone. It's like a cone, it's a conical shape. You can talk about the shape also. Now you see it's coming out, so we'll use another. We'll use some Fevistick, or you can use some Fevicol, you know, Fevistick, Fevicol, to just brush off the, use some brushes. So just dip the brush in the Fevicol, put it here. Yes, थोड़ा सा copious amount, a little bit more of it, and just press it. Press, 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 press. And did you see the cone shape here? Yes. Now we will keep it aside here, and we are going to create this top of the carrot, the 3D carrot. So any rough sheet will also do. Just remember, since we are making a carrot and we are making it with children, we'll use it of the original shape and color. They can explore with any sheet if they want. If you don't have appropriate color, you can use it with any color or sheet, or color them as I said. But we will definitely use the original colors, because we are going to make them learn the exact color of the orange. But as a child, as I have always said, allow them to explore thin strips, okay? Not necessarily of, it's a child-friendly scissor, so slowly it will cut the papers. Always remember that. It's not very, you know, finishing will be a little up and down, but I always use child-friendly scissor in my sessions also. So whatever they see, they learn. If you are going to use an adult scissor with them, they are going to use the adult scissor. So just be very, very cautious, okay guys? Yes, thank you so much for watching. This is very beautiful. So you see, and even from this these friendly scissors, you see the corners, they are not sharp. They are not sharp. You can see my finger, and they bring beautiful texture or the shape on the contour of the papers. So you see, this is not at all sharp, but yes, do not allow the child to explore this. So always do it under supervision, and when they are cutting it, just be present, just be careful. And going to put some, you see it is dropped inside, so let's improvise. Now how can we improvise? Yeah, that's a very good question. So I'm going to cut the here. This was the extra, and I'm just going to put it inside. I'm going to fold these papers. Yes, and I'm going to just fill the main body. Yes. Now these sticks or the roots. So did you see it? Did you like it? You have to write in our comment section which color carrot your child has tried today, and if there is any suggestions, any feedback from it, you are definitely going to share it with us. This is a very interesting activity, and which allows child to make something which is 3D in shape, so it gives them a fair idea of, you know, the practicality of that fruit and vegetable. Simultaneously, again, you can make a mushroom. That's dabbing, finger dabbing, they can do it. Simple. I have made a cone. You have to make a saucer kind of an object here, and a round circle for radish. Very simple. White cone. with green tips. So these are some beautiful 3D crafts. I'm going to just put it here. All the art and craft materials, save it, keep it on display at some place in your house, some very important and prominent place of your house, so that your child feel very, very empowered. Oh, today I have made this, and the child feels revered that we are creating something very beautiful. Whatever they have made, that is beautiful. Every child is unique, as I said. And in the end, what do we always do? We are going to clean up. So I'm going to bring my tidbit basket. I'm going to keep my Fevistick, the child-friendly scissors. Be cautious. Back into it. That's my tape dispenser. Never in a child's hand, always in the adult's hand, okay? Yes, these are my extra papers. Thank you so much. It was so lovely. You always follow the cleanup routine also. And this is very exciting for us in Footprints because, you know, all these things matter. Even the small ones, you know, they imitate us. All our children imitate us. So that's the fruit one. Remember, the toy fruit basket. I'm going to keep it down here. And the flashcards which I have used. Now I have given you options of, where is my bouquet? Yes, let me bring it back. So I have given you options of 3D vegetables. Simultaneously, you can make 3D fruits or keep on watching Footprint series and you will know what we are creating next. Maybe some fruit or maybe some shape or maybe some object. So it was lovely interacting with all of you. Write your share, give your feedback in the comment section. Subscribe, like and share Footprints channel. Thank you so much everybody. Today from the session, I'm going to take these 3D words, okay? So I'm going to take 3D vegetables. Now everybody know what is a vegetable, but in an art and craft session where we are exploring our fine motor skills, the 3D is a shape. 3D stands for dimensions. So 3D shapes, okay? 3D vegetables. These are the ones which I have created. Color and texture. Color and texture is, this is the white color. And what is the texture? That's smooth. Oh, that's a little rough. What is here? That's a contour of a tape. So now you remember my carrot and you remember my child-friendly scissor. If you just go like this, you'll say it's a little roughy here. Rough here. So that's the texture of a particular object. And healthy. Why I have brought healthy in these words? Because we are talking about vegetables. And vegetables are always healthy to eat. So, healthy vegetables, healthy life. Thank you so much once again for watching this whole activity video. And like, subscribe the channel of Footprints. Thank you. So friends and my lovely viewers, thank you so much for watching this beautiful session on 3D vegetables. We created one and I show you many, a couple of them, yes of course, and you all were there till the very end of the session. So this was really very exciting, and we at Footprints always love our viewers and friends and those who are watching us. So if you have any feedback, any suggestions related with creating more of 3D vegetables or fruits, or you know, fruits, and your child loves something you would like to share with us, please write in the comment section and we will love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching this show. Like, subscribe and share Footprints channel.